Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Salesforce Marketing Cloud journeys for lead nurturing. To update Salesforce Marketing Cloud journeys for lead nurturing, begin by logging into your Salesforce Marketing Cloud account. Navigate to the Journey Builder section from the main dashboard. Select the journey you want to update from your list of existing journeys. Click on the Edit button to enter the journey's configuration screen. Review the current structure of the journey. Identify specific segments or elements that need updating for improved lead nurturing. Make necessary changes to the audience segmentation as needed. Adjust any activities within the journey to better align with your nurturing goals. For example, you may want to add emails, SMS messages, or push notifications. Ensure each message is tailored to the stage of the lead's journey. Consider incorporating new content or offers that resonate with your target audience. If necessary, change the decision splits or wait times to refine lead movement through the journey. After making your updates, take a moment to review the entire journey flow for accuracy. Check for any broken links or outdated information, ensuring all content is current and relevant. Once you have completed your updates, click the Save button to store your changes. Next, run a test of the journey to ensure that it functions as intended. Select a few test contacts to simulate their experience within the updated journey. Monitor their interactions with the journey elements to ensure they receive the correct content. If everything appears to work seamlessly, you can publish the updated journey. Finally, monitor performance metrics to assess the effectiveness of your updates in nurturing leads. Continuously evaluate and refine your journey based on these insights for ongoing improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.